Anyway, so, and it takes time for it to like switch over from Lyft to Uber. And if you're on the freeway, or say you're at traffic lights or whatever, and you get a ping and it's coming in and you don't know if it's coming from Lyft or if it's from Uber. So I just prefer to do it manually, turn off the Uber app if you're with Lyft, and vice versa. It's much easier that way. You just have to remember to do it. Another little trick that you should be aware of, if you do that manually, like what I'm doing, you know, running both apps at the same time, make sure you have Uber on top of Lyft. You know, always have it that way, because otherwise Uber will just crash, you know, if it's behind Lyft, basically. So you'll get that warning, do you want to stay online? So yeah, always make sure you have Uber on. So yeah, I've been really busy. Also, I've been getting a lot of Select, not a lot, but yesterday I had Select Premium way out in Carmel Valley, and I'll tell you something, that was like 3 times Uber X. And then again, I had one this morning. Yes, that was with Uber, it wasn't with Lyft. When it's surging and you get a premium Select, oh my God, you make good money. Plus I've been making great tips. I think this year so far, like between cash and all my electronic tips, it's about 300 bucks so far, maybe more actually. It's best to run them both, but you know, if you're one of these people that you want to have Mystro, remember you get like, I think it's 10 free trips a month with Mystro, and then you have to pay like your fee every month, which is about 12 bucks, but you can buy it for the whole year, which is about 100, and it'll save you some money. But I hope that's been a few wee tips for you. See what Target's got, if they've got any good video cameras for the car. Oh, and I need ink and stuff. Okay people, I'll check in with you later. Uber on, and be safe and stay dry and warm. I don't know what it's like on the East Coast or anything. Okay people, ta-ta.